Well, if they want us to, we can try, right? Yeah.
Anong pwedeng maibigay ng if ever ng love team nyo na sisimulan na dito sa Tasya Pantasya? Kasi sila yung ibang mga love teams, they're committed to each other. Hanggang sa dumarating pa sa maging totoo sa tunay na buhay.
Well, we can become committed too. If we...
Sa ngayon po, syempre, since first time po namin magkakatrabaho, siguro po, susubukan namin pagandahin and maging maganda yung chemistry namin on screen para mahalin ng mga tao at maganda tingnan yung chemistry on screen.
As well.
So yun po sa ngayon yung pwede namin.
And maybe we can spend some time off work as well to get closer to each other. Para there's a bigger bond which can be seen if ever we have a scene or anything. Para I can get closer. This is my first time working with her, so yeah.
As far as we know,